5 lessons to become unstoppable. If you want to rise above mediocrity, break the chains of poverty, and create an impact with your craft, then watch this video till the end. If you are building a business around your passion, knowledge, and skills, then this is the perfect video to watch. I'm sharing the 5 lessons that I learned hard way by giving years of my time and investing thousands of dollars. But you can learn it in next 20 minutes. Pay a very close attention to what I'm sharing in this video. If you apply these learnings in your life, the results will be mind blowing. Your life will not be the same again. So don't even think to skip this video in the middle. Now let's begin with the lessons. So here is the first lesson that I want to share. If you want to master just one skill, it should be writing. Writing is the skill that can give you more returns than any other skill out there, because writing is a life skill. It gives you the ability to think clearly. And in today's world full of distraction, the the skill to think clearly is one of the most powerful skills you can have, because when you can think clearly, you can take better decisions, you can express yourself with more clarity, you can be more productive, and you can achieve so much just by thinking clearly. And writing is the skill that gives you this ability. When you start writing your thoughts, when you start writing every day your ideas, what happens is you have this clarity. You know exactly what you are telling, what you are expressing. And when you have this thing, when you will be able to think clearly, then you will be able to make a huge impact with your work. And not only that, the writing in itself is something which creates so much good work for you. When you write, you will become the writer who is expressing his thoughts and sharing it with the world. You write it and you share it on social media, you share it in emails, you share it in the form of book, and what will happen is immediately the people will start getting value. So you are adding value in their life with your words. So writing is one of the skills that gives you authority, that gives you credibility, that gives you the ability to think clearly. And that is why I have said that if you can master just one skill, it should be writing, because the returns that you will get by by writing every single day is higher than any other thing that you will do, any other activity that you will perform. Okay, so this is the first lesson, and take it very, very seriously, because if you will apply this thing, this one thing, if you will start writing every single day, even if you will write just for 15-20 minutes every single day, you will see the huge impact in your life. You will be able to feel the difference. Okay, so don't just listen, apply this thing in your life. Okay, start writing. If you are not writing, then do it and see the impact by yourself. Okay, so this is the first life lesson that I'm sharing with you in this video. Now let's move to the second one. So the second life lesson that I want to share with you is, if you know how to talk, express your thoughts with clarity and confidence, and persuade people, then you can beat the best in your industry. Okay, listen it once again. If you know how to talk, express your thoughts with clarity and confidence, and persuade people, then you can beat the best in your industry. This is the idea, the lesson. Expressing yourself with clarity and talking to people with clarity, and communicating with them effectively can actually put you in top people in your industry. You can beat 90% of the people just by having a good communication and the skills to persuade people. Okay, this is one of the biggest hack to become successful. Even if you don't know even if you are in the field where you need to like code, or you need to like do some very skill based work, and if you are not good in that thing, and you know how to speak effectively, how to express yourself effectively, you will outperform those who are better in their skills. Okay, because communication is the foundation of human evolution. Okay, we evolve as a human, and we made all the progress because of the communication. So if you know how to communicate effectively, if you know how to persuade people, if you know how to express your thoughts with confidence, you will be the center of attraction. You are the one to whom the people want to talk. You are the one to whom people want to learn, and you will become the person who make a difference, who is always standing out from others, from the crowd. So learn to express yourself with clarity and become an effective communicator. This is one of the biggest hack to become successful, and this is the life lesson that I'm sharing with you. So if you are not working in your communication skills, start doing that. I'm doing it every day. I always try to become the better speaker, even though, like, if in this video you will see that I'm making few mistakes here and there, and I'm not able to express myself with that much clarity sometimes, but still I'm trying every single day to become better speaker. And this is what you should do, even if you are not good in this skills. uh, by practicing it every single day, you will become better, and you will be able to lead with confidence. So this is the second lesson that I want to share with you. Now let's just move to the third lesson. The third lesson that will make you unstoppable. Okay, pay very close attention to this lesson. This is something which is make a huge difference in your life. So consistency will beat the intensity any single day. Okay, consistency will beat the intensity any single day. And if you focus to stay consistent in your efforts, you will be ahead from most of the people who are just thinking and procrastinating. Okay, because most of the people don't take action, they just think and they just procrastinate the things. So if you can be consistent with your efforts every single day, you will beat most of the people out there, and you will be already ahead from them. So start taking action with consistency. For example, I have told you that writing is one of the skill that you should like master. So if you can just start writing every single day for 20 minutes for next 1 year, you will be what you are doing. You are practicing consistency with writing, and when you become consistent with writing, you will see the massive impact, because consistency will beat intensity any single day. If you are working one day with so much intensity, but on the other day you are not doing anything, you are very inconsistent with your efforts, nothing will happen, nothing will change, the life will remain the same, and you will not get any results. I have seen it personally. My life never changed. When I was inconsistent, and when I started taking consistent actions with consistency, I saw the progress is happening. And it is something that almost all the successful people in the world talk about. Okay, so learn, this is a life lesson, and keep it with yourself always, that whatever may be the thing you are trying to do, just be consistent. Okay, simplify the things in such a way that you will be able to stay consistent. Okay, focus on consistency. Try to make the situations and environment and circumstances in such a way that you will be able to stay consistent. Remove the resistances, and when you can just create the kind of environment where you can just stay consistent, just be consistent. Do that damn thing every single day and see the result yourself. See how your life will change by yourself. Okay, so this is the third life lesson. Now let's just move to the fourth one. The fourth life lesson that I want to share with you is never forget the rule of compounding. What is the rule of compounding? The rule of compounding is like the small daily efforts lead to big results. Small daily action compounds over the period of time and gives you the huge returns. This is the law of compounding. The way it applies in money, similarly, it applies in efforts as well. The small monthly savings can lead to the big uh, capital in long term, right? You have listened about the systematic investment plans, SIPs. People say invest monthly in SIPs, and you will end up making a huge amount of money uh, if you keep investing for years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, right? You will create a lot of wealth. Okay, that is because the compounding of money is happening there. But the compounding of efforts is much more powerful. Okay, here you give 30 years, 20 years, 25 years investing money, and you will make the huge capital. But if you just put efforts every single day, your life can change in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, maybe 5 years. But yes, you will see the huge change in your life just by staying consistent with your efforts. So consistency, it's not just about consistency, but combining the consistency with the rule of compounding. Okay, compound, you need to understand this one thing, that the efforts that you are putting to do anything, it's actually adding to the compounding effect, and it is growing. In the beginning you will not be able to see that how it is growing, but suddenly over the period of time, when you keep putting your efforts with consistency, a time will come where you will see an exponential growth. Okay, you'll see an exponential growth. This is what this is how the compounding works. Okay, this is how compounding works, and you need to understand it in your life if you really want to become successful. uh, so this is the fourth life-changing lesson to make you unstoppable. Never forget the rule of compounding in your efforts. Whatever may be the thing you are trying to do, just think in like how the small daily actions is going to give you the huge returns, and just keep doing those boring things every single day by keeping this rule in your mind. Okay, now let's just move to the fifth and the last lesson, and this is going to be the very crucial one. So pay very close attention to this one. Money is the byproduct of size of problem you solve. Okay, money is the byproduct of the size of problem you solve. Very powerful lesson. And this one single lesson can change your entire life. Because money is one of the biggest uh, thing that we chase in this world. We know that the money is going to change so many things for us. The way to make money is by solving problems. If you can just solve the problems, you can make a lot of money. It's just the byproduct of solving problems. Okay, even if you are doing the job what you are doing, you are solving the problem for your employer. They need someone to do some task, and you are the one who is able to do that task, and you are doing it for them, and they are paying you the money. But here the returns are very less. Okay, because you are because they can hire the people in bulk, and they can like get the things done with so many people. The market is very competitive, so you will be paid in that terms. But if you can just pick the problem that you can solve with your skills, with your knowledge, go out in the market and start solving that problem, you will be able to make a lot more money than what you are making in your job. Big money can't be made in a 9 to 5 job. Instead, find the problem and think like how what problem you can solve with your skills, with your knowledge, and start solving it for people. Go out in the market, connect with people, ask them that you can solve their problem. You have the skills and the knowledge to solve this particular problem that they have in their life. And when you go and solve that problem, they will pay you handsomely. You will start making money handsomely. This is the way to make a lot of money. It's just a byproduct of solving problem. And one more big lesson that I want to share with you, which is a part of this thing, is you either solve it for the huge market with limited money, or you solve it for the small market with huge money. Very powerful lesson. Think about it. You either go to a mass market, a very big market who is paying you a small amount of money. So you are playing the volume game. You get the people in volume, a large volume of people paying you small money, and you make a lot of money because you reached out so many people, and so many people are paying you small money. But there is another way. You can solve the big problem for a small market which has a huge money. Okay, so you go to the people who have a lot of money and you solve the problem for them and they pay you the very big money. So here you don't need to go to the mass market. Here you go to the very limited number of people, and because these are the people who have a lot of money to pay, they will pay you and you will make a lot of money. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to understand, that either you solve the problem for the huge market with a limited money, or you solve the problem for a small market with a huge money. Very powerful thing to understand if you are going to solve the problem for the people to make money. So these are the 5 lessons to make you unstoppable. Do you think that these are the lessons that helped you? Just let me know in the comment section which lesson is your favorite, which lesson you are going to apply in your life. All the lessons are very powerful. Just apply them and see how your life is changing. Okay, it will change for sure if you apply these lessons. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, which lesson you are going to apply in your life. And also, don't forget to share this video with someone who you think it can help. Okay, hit the like button and share it, because I want to spread this message to more and more people, and I want to reach out to more and more people with this message and with these 5 lessons. So that's all for this particular video. I have tons of videos on my channel related to building a business around your passion, knowledge and skills, related to marketing, related to personal growth. So just go watch them and just tap the card on the screen and watch the video that that is appearing there also.